Hello my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share you how you can improve your English while listening. Yes, you heard it right. Have you been studying for many years, but still you couldn't understand videos, movies or fast English speaker, right? Don't worry, my friends, you are not alone. There are many people around the world feel exactly the same way. Even I was also there in my early days. Means that was me too. I used to feel lost whenever people spoke fast. I knew lots of words. Even I could understand newspaper, I could read. But when someone spoke naturally, I understood nothing. So in today's video, I am going to share you my secret which I have learned so far. All about 3 simple but powerful rules. Yes. Rule number 1 is choose video you understand around 70%. Yes. Neither 100% nor 30%. Exactly 70%. Not too hard, not too easy. Means if you understand everything, your brain doesn't grow. If you understand nothing, easily you give up, right? But if you understand 70% English, your brain works hard and stays motivated and excited to learn more. Trust me guys, if you follow the 70% rule, your listening power will grow like magic. And rule number 2 is listen to the same content again and again. Means what people they are doing, they listen at once and move on. That is the big mistake. You don't have to do like this because our brain needs repetition to build pattern naturally. So if you have 10 minutes video, try to watch at least 5 to 6 times, and each time you will understand more. And the tip number is 3 is listen with full focus and actively. Means no phone, no cooking and no multitasking. You and your English. Yes. Focus on the sound, the rhythm, the words. This is called active listening. It is the only way to train your brain to recognize English sound more naturally. Yes. For example, the first time I heard gonna, to be honest, my friend, I didn't understand at all what is the meaning of gonna. But after hearing it many times with many contexts, I realized it means going to. My brain made connection automatically. So now let's talk about what kinds of content you should watch and you should listen to. If you are a beginner, try to watch children's cartoon or simple podcast. If you are at an intermediate level, try to watch TV shows or YouTube videos with subtitle. Yes. First, listen without reading subtitle and then listen with subtitle to check your understanding level. Yes. And now, here's your 30 days challenge. Yes. Choose one video or audio around 10 to 15 minutes long and listen one and check how much English you know. If it's 70%, perfect. If it's too easy, pick something harder. If it's too difficult, choose something easier. Try to listen every day at least 30 minutes. After 30 days, you choose one new content little bit harder. Do this process for 6 months and you will see a huge improvement in your listening skills. But avoid this common mistake. Don't choose too difficult content. Don't switch videos every day. And don't listen any video while doing other things, while doing multitasking. Okay, just focus, repeat, and enjoy this process. And soon your brain will start and your brain will understand English naturally without subtitle, without stress. That's how you train your brain to understand English naturally, just like native speakers do. So start from today onwards. Find your 70% English, 70% video, and start your listening practice from today onwards. So this is what I wanted to share with you, my friends. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and do subscribe for more easy tips to learn English language in a great way.